This episode of Pat's Answers Archives is brought to you in part by... It is important to understand that the Constitution does not create rights for anyone. It simply serves as a grant of power to and a blueprint for the structure of the federal government. The rights of the people existed before the founding of the United States. You do not have constitutional rights. You just have rights. To protect them, you must understand them. The book, A Republic If You Can Keep It, can help you with that understanding. Available at patsanswers.com/blog. Click on the Store tab. $16.95 plus shipping and handling. All major credit cards are accepted. Buy it today. This is Liberty Lines, Zombies, on Pat's Answers Archives. I'm your host, Pat Kansor. Remember the post by AstraZeneca admitting that the vaccine was an operating system? The CRISPR gene editing system is usually known for helping scientists treat genetic diseases, but the technology has a whole range of possible uses in synthetic biology too. Now, researchers at ETH Zurich have used CRISPR to build functional biocomputers inside human cells. As powerful as modern computers are, nature bested us long ago. Living organisms could be thought of as computers already. Their cells act like logic gates, taking input from the outside world, processing it, and responding with certain metabolic processes. Quote, "The human body itself is a large computer," close quote, says Martin Fusselnegger, lead researcher of the study, quote, "Its metabolism has drawn on the computing power of trillions of cells since time immemorial. And in contrast to a technical supercomputer, this large computer needs just a slice of bread for energy," close quote. Tapping into these natural processes to build logic circuits is a key goal of synthetic biology. In this case, the ETH Zurich team found a way to slot dual-core processors into human cells by first modifying the CRISPR gene editing tool. Normally, this system uses guide RNA sequences to target specific DNA segments in the genome, then make precise edits. For this project, though, the team created a special version of the CAS9 enzyme that can act as a processor. This special CAS9 instead reads guide RNA as inputs, and in response expresses particular genes. That in turn creates certain proteins as the output. These processors act like digital half-adders. Essentially, they can compare two inputs or add two binary numbers and deliver two outputs. To boost the computing power, the researchers managed to squeeze two processor cores into one cell. In the long run, these dual-core cell computers could be stacked up by the billion to make powerful biocomputers for diagnosing and treating disease, or for creating one. For example, the team says they could look for biomarkers and respond by creating different therapeutic molecules, depending on whether one, the other, or both biomarkers are present. Quote, "Imagine a microtissue with billions of cells, each equipped with its own dual-core processor," close quote, says Fussenegger. Quote, "Such computational organs could theoretically attain computing power that far outstrips that of a digital supercomputer, and using just a fraction of the energy," close quote. We have been told that the next big thing will be artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is no match for natural stupidity. That's my take on it. What's yours? Share your opinion by emailing me at librarian@patsanswers.com and share the link to this vlog with your friends. This has been Liberty Lines, Zombies, on Pat's Answers Archives. I'm your host, Pat Cansor. Join us again next time. This episode of Pat's Answers Archives has been brought to you by visiting Branson, Missouri? Hungry for some authentic Southern barbecue? Big D's strives hard to be the best Branson barbecue and was recently awarded first place in the Best of Branson Viewers' Choice Award for Best Barbecue in Branson. With their friendly service and low and slow cooking methods, Big D's Barbecue prides itself on serving up delicious smoked meats using their own proprietary blend of dry rub spices for full flavor. They smoke their meats low and slow for maximum flavor and tender, juicy goodness. The brisket is melt in your mouth awesome. Try one of their signature platters and combine it with Big D's signature pit beans, smoked corn, or coleslaw. Each recipe has been developed over the years and is an original you'll find only at Big D's Barbecue. Located at 1550 State Highway 248 on the Red Route between O'Reilly Auto Parts and Simmons Bank. Their phone number is 417-337-5100. Tell them Pat Answers Archives sent you. See you soon.